In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to open Just Eat Radar account in the UK. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the eligibility requirements for you to open a Just Eat Radar account in the United Kingdom and also how to actually do it. So first, for the eligibility, you will need to be 18 years old or older. You need to have a reliable vehicle between a car, motorbike, or bicycle with valid insurance. You need to possess a valid driver's license, own a smartphone, either Android or iOS, with a data plan, have a bank account to receive your earnings, and of course, you need to be eligible to work in the UK. With all of those requirements and eligibility out of the way, to actually open your account, first, you need to either visit the Just Eat Courier website at courier.justeat.co.uk, or alternatively, download the latest version of the mobile app, regardless of which option you pick, either through the website, as I'm demonstrating on screen, or through the mobile app. You will be able to go through the registration form. You will be able to select Apply Now and fill out all of the necessary details, including email address and creating a password, and of course all of your contact information. As long as you include all of the necessary details and everything seems valid and legitimate, during the application process you will be asked to provide documents for verification, such as a driver's license, your vehicle insurance, and proof of work eligibility, being, for example, a passport. By completing all of these steps and going through the learning videos on the Just Eat Courier portal that you can access after your account has been approved and activated, you will be able to start working as a courier for Just Eat in the UK. You will be able to assign a bank account to receive your earnings, and all that you have to do afterwards is download the latest version of the Just Eat Courier app to manage your deliveries. I hope I was able to help you on how to open a Just Eat Radar account in the UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.